Here we have this 18-plate BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. It comes with the LED headlights and the kidney black grills, and we've also got the front splitter at the bottom. It comes with front and rear parking sensors with a in-car visual display and audio. We've got the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport caliper design in blue behind. We've got the side skirts running across this side of the car. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles and mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. Now this car comes with £5,000 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. Onto the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a grey stitching, Isofix points and the armrest in the centre with the vents for the passengers. We've also got the electric windows with the door handle and the brushed metal with the blue ambient lighting running across, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Onto the front seats, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats just there, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable, and there is a look at those. There's the electric function just there. We've got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've also got the ambient lighting running across the door as well. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and the speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume and the paddle shift on the right hand side. Now this steering wheel is heated, so if you just press that button there, it comes up on the dashboard that the steering wheel heating has been activated, and if you press it again, it's deactivated. Onto the main screen, if we just go onto my vehicle, into technology in action, you can see the different sports displays here. So you've got the power and the torque. Going back into my vehicle, all the way up to the top, vehicle settings and lights. This car does come with the ambient lighting, and you can also change the colour. I'm going to stick with blue as that's my favourite colour, and you can see that it runs all the way across the dashboard into the door. Going across, we've got the Bluetooth media and the DAB radio with a Bluetooth phone connectivity, and we've also got the satellite navigation. I will just show you that display there. Making our way down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've got the heated rear window as well. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so if you just press one of those, comes up on screen with the different drive modes in which this car can be driven. If I just pop this car into reverse, you can see on screen we've got the sensors just there. Popping it back into neutral to make it safe, we've also got the dial and the manual functions for the screen there. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. And as you can see, I'm not able to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which is also heated. We've got the button just hitting the centre, press that and it will activate or deactivate it. We have the paddle shifters as well on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. We've got the digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays like we've seen on the photos. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, really does sound incredible. We also have the full leather interior, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. And we do have plenty of features in this vehicle. For example, we've got the ambient lighting, looks really nice, especially at night time. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, full of features again that you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav. Below there we have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox as well, with all the different drive modes. Now I'm about to take a right hand turn in a moment, so if we put our right indicator on, start to slow down, and then we'll wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So wait for this car to go past, and then make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard into the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.